this be my new embroidery project?
Wait, what?
I think so.
Okay, let's get stitching.
I'm hooping some of our medium tearaway stabiliser. I've got a scrap of denim, and this is a Sewline fabric glue pen. It's just a temporary glue. It'll hold the denim in place perfectly while I embroider it in a moment. Then I'm going to have a little fun with my embroidery machine, adding a pattern on it. It's always so fun and mesmerising watching it sew, don't you think?
Have you guessed what I'm sewing?
It's our logo bee with a couple of flowers. If you wanted to have a go at making something like this, but you don't have an embroidery machine, feel free to either hand embroider yours or just use some pretty fabric if you don't have one. Okay, that's all done now. So I'm tearing off that stabiliser because we don't need that anymore. I've chopped the tub down in half. Now it's glue time. I'm gluing the fabric to the tub. This is the Gutterman creativ glue, which is perfect for fabric as well as plastics. I'm making sure that the stitched out part is nice and straight first, lining that up where I want to see it most. Then I'm just working my way around, gluing and sticking in sections, and then I hope keep it all nicely lined up. For the join at the back, I'm just folding the edge under so it's glued underneath itself and hidden away. I've added some clips around the top so I don't accidentally shift the fabric, but it's already sticking pretty well, so I think it would have been fine without them too. I'm snipping upwards around the bottom edge to about level with the base of the tub. I've added a line of glue all around the edge of the bottom of the tub, and then I'm just folding the fabric down over it. Those little snips let me overlap the fabric on the curve so it lays nice and flat. Next, I'm popping more glue on top of that, right over the middle of the base as well. I've got a piece of thin card cut out the same size as the base. I'm just sticking that right over there and it'll keep the edges inside hidden. I'm trimming the top fabric edge so that it's level with the top of my tub, and then I'm going to finish it off with some bias binding all the way around the top. Again, I'm just using a bit of glue. I'm going along the inside and the outside all the way around the top edge, working again in sections, and that way I can line it up nice and neatly as I go. I'm just folding the edge of the binding exactly like I folded the edge of the denim, so that it tucks in nicely underneath itself. I've added a handful of clips to keep the binding in place, and then I'll just pop it aside for half an hour to dry and set.
Do you want to look?
I reckon that's a much prettier way to store my labels now. Let me know if you have a go at making one too.
What do you think? If you'd like more tips, don't forget to like and follow us.